This comes from Lance in Fort Worth, and he's got a lawn question. I live in a rental property and placed a 10 by 12 greenhouse in my backyard. The grass will be dead when we move it. So my question is, what is the most common lawn grass found in my area, and is sod the best way to go? Well, I gotta be honest with you, don't have a clue, because there are so many different types of grass in the Fort Worth area. I don't know which one you have. But what I will tell you, since you're in Fort Worth, if you'll take some of that grass and go down to Callaway's, they'll be able to identify what type of grass it is and tell you if you can put it in with the seed, put it in with a spray mulch, or put it in with sod. And that'll be the best way to get your yard taken care of that way. Beyond that, you know what? If you didn't do anything, Mother Nature will fill it back in herself in typically a matter of just a few months. So if you're getting ready to move or something, you might want to consider taking the greenhouse down ahead of time, and that way you can, have the grass grow in by nature and not try to do it all with sod. And let me be honest here, sod's not that expensive. For the area that you just described, you're probably talking about one pallet. You can buy that pallet for, I don't know, $200, $250, something in that range. The real work comes in when you got to lay it. Because if you just take it and throw it in on top of the ground that's there, that area is going to be too high. You typically have to go in, scrape the old grass off the top, and then put the new grass in so that it's even with everything else. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.